The voice of the podcast was generated by an artificial intelligence. Today, let's go to the district located behind the gardens of the City Hall. Here, we are close to the Golden Apple Square. Before the 1960s, the Golden Apple District was very popular. A district with a medieval atmosphere, it was characterized by the regularity of the width of its streets and by the subdivision of the blocks according to a regular pattern. You could also see half-timbered houses there. Today this district has disappeared. Indeed, a little before the 1970s, it was considered unhealthy and degraded. A modernization operation will therefore be launched with the construction of modern buildings, the birth of the Porte-des-Champs Avenue and the transformation of the Matelas Street into a building courtyard. If you want to see what the district looked like before its profound transformation, I recommend that you watch the film The Mysteries of Paris with Jean Marais shot in 1962 or go to the old marketplace to see the facade there. From the Sauve hardware store, for information, the facade is right next to the public toilets.